This is Dundee from Booredatwork.com, and I'll be doing a review of the Kingston UHS-I card. So this is the highest flash card you can get from Kingston, and there's a reason why. This is not a class 10 card. This is higher than class 10. And now, why is this important? Why should I pick this if I can get a class 10 card for, say, slightly cheaper? Well, the thing here is that if you're into video or photography and you get in a camera and you want to use you're going to use a flash card, or if you're using a camcorder, for instance, like the Canon M50 here, which has ability to take in a flash card, or say the Canon M500, which is the same camera but doesn't have any inbuilt storage and use a flash card. This is the best card for you to get for my money anyway. Now, what this card allows you to do is simply this. Your 10X cards usually have a read and write speed of about 15 megabits per second. So that's what you get for transferring videos, writing, recording on to your card, as well as transferring to your computer, things like that. Now with this card, you get a write speed of up to 60 megabits per second, and then your read speed is about 35 megabits per second. So this does a very good job at recording and also playback at very fast speeds equal to what you have with inbuilt storage. So that's something to take note and also to have here. The other cool thing about this card is that this is one of the few cards that allows, if you have a camcorder, say like this, where you can take photos while you are recording, it allows you to do that instantly without any kind of issues whatsoever. So this is something to take note. Now this card comes in 8, 16, and 32 gigabyte flavors from Kingston. I don't have the prices offhand, but you see them at the bottom there of the screen, so you guys can you can order it from places like Newegg. You can order from Kingston directly. We'll show you some of the read speeds on PC. So what we do is just plug in the card, and we'll show you some of the read speeds as we transfer this over. Now it should read probably Canon because we've used it for the Canon M50 here, which we'll do a review for, but just wanted to show you the card that we use with this, because this has 8 gigabytes of storage in here, and we've got this 32 gigabyte card, which for us it just works well. There's no difference. I mean, we feel like it's actually even faster in actually reading and transferring video, so that's pretty cool. But again, this is a very solid, simple card that you can get from Kingston and use for your audio or video, your video and your photo activities. So if you're into photography, if you've got a new camcorder, flash camcorder, I think this will work well for you. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. But on that, let's check out the transfer speeds and round up this video. Alright, so we've plugged in our flash drive, UHS-233X. Now we said it has maximum transfer speeds of about read speeds of 60 megabits and write of 35, and just showing you some of the transfer rates on here. So we have a file here. We take this file. One of our videos will be editing properties. You see the file size is 248 megabits, so it's pretty large, and we're going to transfer it just to the desktop right here, and we'll drop that right here. I must have already transferred that file. Apologize for that. So let's do something else. Do this file here. And okay, that's 242. It's good. We'll transfer that. Drop it right there. And you can see its speeds are at 17, 18. Maximum we get to roughly around 20. So you get some good speeds, and that took about 5 seconds to transfer a 248 megabyte file. Even if we do larger file sets, so if we take a bunch of these files here and this control, you know what, we do 6 files in total, and do properties of all 6. See what we have here. We have a full gig and 7. So we transfer that to desktop, and see speeds again are still around the same. You're not getting a drop in speeds there. It's take about a minute for a gig, which is pretty good at the rate we're looking. So let's just see how long this takes. It looks like this would be less than a minute, but we'll check that out. So yeah, files are dropped. Speed up. It meant a maximum of about 45 megabits per second. So you can see how well it does with speeds, and it boosts up a certain areas to actually help the process. And yeah, it took maybe about 45 seconds there to transfer gigabyte worth of data. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys have any questions or any comments about the Kingston UHS flash drive, again, you get them in 18, 16, and 32 gigabyte flavors. Let us know. Subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's all Booredatwork with 2 O's. So this is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy entertainment.